Hello again. Are you sick and tired of the other party, be it like the other parent or your ex-spouse, not following the court-issued order? Hi, my name is attorney Anthony Spratly. I'm the owner and founder of Genus Law Group here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, but we practice family law throughout the state of New Mexico. So, the other party constantly violates an order that the court issues, and you're frustrated, you're like at your wit's end, and you're like, what can I do about this? And if you don't have an attorney that can help you out, you might feel like it's like a helpless cause. You might feel like the other party is getting away with violating these orders time and time again. You may feel like this is unfair because you always follow the court order, but they don't. And there's nothing that you can do because the judge won't listen to you, and he or she will continue to get away with violating the court orders. So there are things that you can do to bring this to the attention of the court. But before you do that, if you believe that the other party is violating the court order, have a conversation with them first. Open up that line of communication to see if there's some sort of misunderstanding on why they're violating the court order. Now, if that doesn't work, then obviously the next step is to file something in court, right? You're going to want to file a motion to enforce or a motion for order to show cause. What the motion to enforce will do is put this issue in front of the judge, asking the judge to enforce his previous court order, telling the other person to do X. And that because you had to bring this to the court to make the other party do X, the court should issue an order to ensure that they do X, and also ask for attorney's fees if you hire an attorney to help you bring that motion before the court. The other thing that you can do is file a motion for order to show cause. This is a bigger deal than a motion to enforce. So what a motion for order to show cause is you are asking the court to hold that person who's violating the court order accountable for blatantly violating the court's order, and that because of that violation, they need to show up to the court by an order of the court where they have to show cause on why they shouldn't be held in contempt, right? Because contempt can be, if they're found in contempt by the judge, there could be jail time, right? There could be fines, right? There are many sanctions that can take place. And motion for order to show cause has more bite than a motion to enforce. And usually I file a motion for order to show cause as a last resort. It could be a first resort, but I usually do it as a last resort, especially if there's repeated violations of the court order time and time again. So if you find yourself in a situation where you're at your wit's end because the other party is not doing what they're supposed to do based on the court order, consider talking to them first. If that doesn't work, you can file a motion to enforce, or you can file for a motion for order to show cause. All right, folks, that's all I have for you today. I encourage you, if you want more information about motions to enforce or other related family law topics, go to our website at www.genuslawgroup.com. That's GENUSLAWGRP.com. And you can also get information at our podcast. It's the Protect Your Success podcast, and you can find that on Apple iTunes. All right, have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.